Of course.
Hi guys.
Hello, this is so awkward.
So my name is Amin and Shraddha. I'm the Curly
I'm the Teal.
and together we are Curly, Teal and Co.
And this is in case you cannot tell why we are curly and teal. अगर आपको इतना ही ज़रूरत है तो हम बता देते हैं. Just look at her hair and mine. Been this way. She's been this way since she was born.
Of course.
And I've been like this. The color teal, not the weird self I am, but the color teal has been there for 8 years now. Like
Almost 9.
Yeah. Up 9 हो जाएंगे. Yeah. So we are on our Friday break. First of all, like looking at this setup and food and everything, you must think like
Guys, she has a script right here.
we come prepared. So why
Or not.
Friday? Well, we tried. ठीक है. So why Friday? Because we have 2 hours of break. We'll come to our introduction later on, but we work together and since 4 years, and we've been good friends since 4 years.
Like we had our ups and downs, but we are here.
मैं कहने वाली थी we travel together, we do this together.
It's
we do
okay,
that
let them,
together.
you know,
And we're like we had our ups and downs. Everybody has their ups and
हाँ
downs.
ना, give them the teach.
थोड़ी ना
और
अभी
Coke?
4 मिनट हुए हैं एपिसोड शुरू हुए हुए, पहले से टी देना शुरू कर दें. अभी देखना है.
Guys, you are the cool, friendly girls.
We love each other, but only until
Heart.
somebody asks, "Are you guys best friends?" And then we don't have an answer to
And
that.
we go like, we think so. We're not sure.
I mean, so we've been wanting to do this since ages now. We love our Friday breaks. हमें 2 घंटे मिलते हैं और हम लोग कब से we wanted to record some content. We do record some content, but हम फिर अपने zone में इतने चले जाते हैं कि then it's not something that we can show. So
And
it's so questionable and so full of content. that we
yeah,
can
but
talk.
this is not our office, no.
This is a very dear friend's studio.
And he doesn't know we are here.
He doesn't know we are here. We have the keys. So thanks, Moeen.
Hi, Moeen. Sorry.
And you wouldn't even know until this episode comes out कि हम यहाँ पे. Not that he has told us not to do this, but like हम सारी preps करने में we forgot to tell him. Because we told
That
him
was
this.
on purpose. She's lying. Sorry, Moeen. Not sorry. अच्छा.
अच्छा. So मैंने लिखा था कि we will pretend we are influencers. I am not.
I try, but
Far
I'm
from
also
it.
not.
She's a
I
try
try.
hard.
I try.
I'm not even that. So अच्छा, Samin. Who are you, Samin? So बातों में लगा दे ताकि मैं लंच कर सकूं.
Don't ask me, identity crisis हो गया. I am a curly haired person. I don't know whether you start.
खाना खाने के लिए तुमने बोलना स्टार्ट करवाया था मैंने. But so I'm an entrepreneur by heart and I'm a marketer. I'll just keep boring stuff away from it, but like I do like to make things. It can be ventures, it can be art, it can be anything. But I do like to do things where I can also keep low profile. So I'm not very social. I'm very grumpy most of the times.
All the time.
I keep rolling my eyes. I don't turn on my camera during meetings because I cannot control my expressions. So yeah, that's who I am. Now you.
So, as she said, I am a try-hard influencer.
I did not mean it that way.
And I'm a nature specialist. And I do a lot of other things which I don't want to mention for now.
She's really cool.
But because
You'll
I
get
work
to
in
see
nature,
it.
yeah, I don't want to say much about myself. I'm a cool person. I'm the cool HR.
She's a cool HR.
And I'm
She
not
actually
grumpy. I'm
is.
very grounded, very calm most of the times, of course. But then I panic. And then you get it.
So, how did we become friends? First impressions. And when we realized we work well together, etc. First impressions. When I was hired, it was my onboarding. और मुझे HR के ऑफिस में बिठाया. वहाँ पे एक प्यारी सी बंदी बैठी हुई थी, स्वीट सी, छोटी सी, यंग सी. And I was like, hey, she's kind of cool. बस कर जा. So I was like, hey, she's kind of cool. And then walks in a friend of ours. And then they started talking about, we decided we'll not do that.
Don't do that.
And then they started talking about clothes and stuff, and I was like, hey, they do dress really well around here. And that was really exciting for me because I personally like people who put in effort before leaving the house. I really admire this thing in people. There are days when we don't have the time to do that, but I really like it when people put in effort. And I really liked these people. And then the friend who walks in, she's actually the one who introduced me to this company. She mentioned kids. And I was like, wait a minute, you married? And then my friend tells me, uske bacche bade hain. What? How old are you, vampire?
Surprise!
What do you eat, babies? So that's my first impression of her. And we got along really well since the start. But I think from the last 2.5 years, we've become really good friends.
Yeah. And
Like
we travel together.
literally die hard through thick and thin. Like we share a lot of things together. It's like a support system right at work, and that's something that I have not had in my jobs previously. I've worked a lot
Like if
before.
one of us has to cry, the other one brings tissues.
Sometimes we both cry. हम literally phone करके पूछते हैं कोई रोने का अच्छा spot. But we decided we will not talk about this. We are happy people.
Okay. So my first impression of her. So like we were hiring a social media manager back then, and I scheduled an interview. The person she walked in, and I was like, "Oh no, I cannot do this. She has green hair." So like my boss, he was like, "Why cannot you do this?" I was like, "She has green hair. Why don't you understand that?"
What's wrong with green hair?
I was like, I'll be asking you things other than the interview. I'll be asking you, oh my god, कहाँ से कराया, कैसे कराया? So like, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to be the tough HR, which I'm not, of course. I'm a very cool person. So, and then she was hired. When she was hired, on her very first day, she was like, oh, you're wearing cute socks. I was like, we can be friends. So yeah, that's how we became friends, and here we are 4 years down the lane having food.
हम लोग इतनी बेसिक थिंकिंग है कि मेरे जहन में जो आ रहा था ना, तुमने लिटरली वही सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर यूज किया है. Here we are 4 years down the lane. इतने बेसिक हैं हम. Oh, there's something in my hair.
ये बड़ा करके लगाना है हमने, यू इस पे जूम करके. Anyways.
Anyway. Oh, look at that. One thing that the other person always does. What do I always do?
She's always loud. Always loud. आज भी when I was sitting in my office, I can hear her talk नीचे. But other than that, that was the funny one. एक minute, let me think. She does a lot of things वैसे. The thing I like about her, she can snap anybody, like anybody. Literally anyone. It can be your boss, it can be the office boy, it can be anyone.
True.
So like that's a good thing. I cannot do that.
वैसे इसमें से फनी पूछा था, but I let her speak because मैंने कभी से अपनी तारीफ नहीं सुनी उस तरह से ना.
Oh shit. Cancel.
But one thing that she always does, cry.
Of course, that's my thing.
But number two, since you have praised me, I will praise you too. Like, she's resilient. Like, it's a quality, it's not something that she does, it's her. She's resilient. The way she's living her life, this woman hustles, takes care of kids, has a, mashallah, happy family, does everything so well. And you know, like, you meet somebody and they'll tell you that they do this and that, and you'll be like, fine. But that's what they're telling you. I have seen her for 4 years, hands down, best mom, best friend, best woman, one of the best women I know, and I really admire. So cringe. Ugh. Toxic traits. टॉक्सिक ट्रेट्स चाहिए मुझे.
Toxic traits.
आई थिंक हम दोनों का ये कि हम लोग बिल्कुल भी स्वीट नहीं हो सकते एक दूसरे के साथ.
हाँ.
वो हमारा एक है.
Her toxic trait is that she thinks she can do multiple things at once. She cannot. If she's doing one thing, she's very focused at that, but she won't be doing the other thing. She'll be like, पहले मुझे ये करने दो. That's a toxic trait.
माइक में मेरी बर्प की आवाज आई होगी.
ऊंची कर देंगे. My toxic trait. Guys, she's taking time to think. I don't have any.
You have so many. मैं सोच रही हूँ.
Oh shit.
I know she manages it, but she spends anything. Oh, it's the end of the world kind of a way. कि like one day she will call me up and she'll tell me, तुमने कहा लाजवंती से क्या लिया था? When you called me up and we were both working from home.
Tesoro.
You bought a dress.
नहीं, Lulu sir.
So yeah, she's like that. And I know around that time we were planning a trip to 2 countries.
It was my birthday gift, in my defense. That was a birthday gift for me.
Whatever. But we are already going abroad. Like we paid half the thing.
It was so funny. I called her up and I was like, Rida, please stop me from spending more money.
By the way, do tell us your toxic traits as well.
Yes, we would love to know.
Actually, best thing is if you also tell us your best friend's toxic trait as well. We would love to know. And we'll talk about it in the next episode, if there's any. Delulu energy of the week. Your Delulu moment.
Mine was when I thought that we'll be able to make a full vlog the other day when we were somewhere and we were recording. We were trying to record. Guys, we only have 2 clips. 2. That's it. That's all. उसमें भी कैमरा कभी गिर रहा है, कभी शेक हो रहा है,
कभी जमीन की वीडियो बनी हुई है.
So like, yeah.
But I have a time lapse of that same day.
2 clips. I included that. One of them was the time lapse, and the other one was वो जब हमने वो intro record किया था. That's it. That's all.
Oh my god.
That's all we have.
But we'll try to add the angle ऐसे होने वाला भी in this.
We'll try
You'll
to
see.
show you something.
You'll see. My Delulu moment of the week.
Actually same.
Yeah, मतलब इतनी hopes थी ना मेरी उससे. हाँ, हम जैसे 4:30 बजे यहाँ से free होंगे, हम ये करेंगे, हम वो करेंगे. हमें 6:30 बज गए वहाँ पहुँचने में. We only had 15 minutes to do everything, जिसमें इस जवान की बच्ची ने मेकअप भी किया था.
Yes.
We'll include.
आज भी किया मैंने.
हाँ. उसके भी मेरे पास BTS पड़ी, वो डाल देंगे इसके. So yeah, see that's the thing. हमारे Delulu moments भी same ही है. Also do recommend us places like Five Fries or 7 Seas. I think 7 Seasons. It's in Phase 5, DHA Phase 5, Lahore. And then there is JJ. Like, tell us places like where we can have like less messy food, so we can just pick it up before we record the episode, because we have to eat, we have to set up. She has to wear makeup, and we have to set up and record. And I don't know if I like hot shots type things. We like JJK nuggets and stuff. So yeah.
Fries, we love fries. So we'll ask each other 5 questions about ourselves, so we get to know how well they know us, or we know each other. Rida, what's my favorite color? ये पहला सवाल है. Zoom करना है इसमें.
Do I know?
हाँ, तुक्का मार लो. It's very obvious.
Black.
बहुत safe खेला भाई. Think about me and then my favorite color.
Maroon.
Guys, I'm about to cry. This
Pink.
Thank you, Rida.
पिंक वाला जो है ना, वो रखना है हमने, पिछले वाला नहीं रखना है इसके अंदर.
सब आएगा बीच में.
एडिट तो मैं नहीं करना है.
Oh shit. Oh yes. What's my favorite food? नहीं आता. ये भी नहीं आता. अभी बताया.
2 साल 3 साल
प्रैक्टिकली अभी बताया है मैंने.
Hot shots. You said hot shots.
Fries. I said fries.
Fries is a snack.
मुझे खाना खाते कब देखा है?
Valid point. अभी भी नहीं देख रही, खाना पड़ा हुआ है, ज़ाया हो रहा है.
ठीक. और what's my favorite season?
Winter.
It's not Rida. I hate winters. I love
Summers.
Yes. What's my favorite pet? ये तो पता है. ये तो तुम्हें पता है. हाँ. Thank you. You know I like cats. Oh God, this woman. Very disappointed, just like you are. Where do I want to go next? Travel to.
Turkey. Europe.
Greece, Rida. Greece.
Europe में?
Greece.
Blues मैं वहीं जा रही थी ना. Greece blue.
Your turn. What's your favorite color?
It's not what you think. What's my favorite
Oh,
color,
no.
Samin?
Of course, teal. I mean, orange.
It's funny how you went from teal to orange just because my car is orange.
It's like,
I did not get that car by choice. मैंने orange वाली लेनी है. I got it because that was the only car I could
pink.
buy.
Your favorite color is pink.
In a way, yes.
Ah,
Fine. What's my favorite food?
your favorite food. Naseeb ki biryani.
Biryani.
I know her.
What's my favorite season?
Schitt's Creek. Modern Family.
Winter. Where do I want to go again?
Sri Lanka, of course.
Which city?
Colombo.
No.
Candy.
Yes.
Pet. Favorite pet. वो तो cats. Of course, cats. She has 2 cats.
They're the best. Okay, quick fire.
Okay, let's start.
So we're doing a quick fire thing. We'll say one thing and we'll point to the person who is that thing. We have not read these. I've just read the first one.
Same.
And we just printed it and we ran, so we haven't.
ChatGPT made these for us.
Let's go. Planner. Wing it. Early. Kind of.
I think I'm the one who's kind of early. Office पहुंचने में नहीं, but otherwise.
And
I
me
wake
too.
up early and
Both of us then. Late.
We both are.
हम बिल्कुल बीच में हैं.
हाँ.
अच्छा. Overthink. Ignore. Talk first. Talks first. Things first.
I'll think a lot about it, so I don't say anything at all by the end of it.
So be honest and tell us if you are more of a Rida or a Samin.
You'll have to be Samin because you'll be cooler.
Cool people don't have to say it out loud, just by the way.
Cut कर दो.
So guys, we are down to our first episode.
We'll end it this way. That's our signature thing.
And thanks so much if you have made it to the end of this video, and if we have published it.
And we would be loving all of your suggestions, advices, anything that you want to see, you want us to do for you, whatever. We would love to read all the comments.
Yeah, and thank you so much for hanging out with us.
For bearing us.
हम ऑफिस भागते हैं.
Yes, and we'll be coming up with a new vlog very soon, like super soon. जैसे ही हमें टाइम मिलेगा अगले फ्राइडे रिकॉर्ड करने का.
Bye. Ew.
ऐसे होता है वो.
मैंने ऐसे किया था. मैं बोलूं. और वो सीन ऐसे आगे ना यहाँ पे आगे खत्म हो जाएगा.
हाई फाइव पे खत्म करेंगे, ये ज्यादा अच्छा है. Oh shit.
Hey.